Back to the channel. So this is going to be episode 1, week 1 of this new series. So what I'm going to go over is dividend investing, what it is, what brokerage I'm using, and why I'm using it. So as you can see here, I have my Robinhood trading app open. Now the reason why I'm using Robinhood is because they also have cryptocurrencies as well as the dividend ETFs that I'm looking to get. Now what are dividends? Dividends are money given to you by companies, or as I mentioned, ETFs. We'll go into that in another video, for holding the stock. So let's say you borrow $10 or you pay $10 to a friend of yours, and because you did that, for however long they're borrowing that $10, they're going to pay you back $1 a week, or $1 a month, or $1 every 3 months, or $1 a year, however you negotiate it. That's essentially what a dividend is in the most quickest term. So here we have, you can ignore the Tesla stock because once you sign up with Robinhood, most of the other trading platforms, they always do the same thing where you get one free share of whatnot. Actually, in the description of this video, I'm going to have a link towards my own Robinhood account. So if you want to open up an account and actually help out the channel, you can. We all know what the goal is, which is just burning SHIB. So for this episode, I have 4 ETFs here. ETFs, just real quickly, is just a basket of stocks all put into one, so that way you don't have to think about which stock is what, and it's a more hands-off, quick and easy one. Now these specific ETFs are all high yielding, which means that they give a very large amount of dividends as compared to, let's say, Apple or McDonald's or your regular other stocks. So right here we have JEPQ, AIPI, SDIV, and KBWY. I'm going to go into further details as to why I picked these stocks in this episode, but what specifically these are, I'm going to go into that in another episode. So JEPQ, JP Morgan Fund, that one pays every month. They all actually pay every month. And right now the way I have it set up is hopefully they all pay on different weeks of the month. That benefits us because that way, once we get the channel big enough and the investment big enough, we'll be able to burn more SHIB on a weekly basis. But again, it's going to take a little while for us to get there. JEPQ pays at the end of the month. AIPI over here pays at the beginning of the month. The lowest yielding stock that I have here is probably going to be between JEPQ or KBWY. JEPQ pays around 9-10% yielding. So if you want to do a quick math, that just means for every $100 you put in, you should be able to get back around $10 a year back into your pocket, divided by 12. That's the easiest way to figure that out. But obviously that changes month to month, and it's managed by JP Morgan's specific team. Now, as far as investments are concerned, I do have a surplus of $66. I put in $200 of my own money into this. That is the only amount of money that I am going to put into this fund. Everything else is going to be organic, naturally grown. I'm trusting the SHIB community. I'm trusting you guys to help me out here. So if you guys have, because I'm trusting you guys, as far as any other investments you guys want to see, any other ETFs, any specific tickers that you feel will be a really, really, really great help for this fund, remember, I'm not trying to look for quick gains. I don't want 100 or 200% yielding ETFs or stocks or anything super, super risky. We want continual, regular burns and or reinvestments. So back to the dividend discussion. With the dividends that they're going to pay out, I will reinvest it back into the channel, back into this fund, if you guys vote for it. Every week or every month, still haven't figured that one out yet. I'm going to be asking you guys on X, hey, this is how much money we have already. This is how much it'll burn. Should I burn it or roll it over, and into what? You guys will vote. You guys will let me know. And from there, we'll move forward and continue it the next month. So yeah, guys, if you have any other questions, I know this is going to be a very, very short video. This is not very, very in-depth. There's nothing really much to say. All I have is one share in each of these, minus again the Tesla. and $66 in surplus over here. So once again, guys, thanks for watching. Hopefully I'll see you guys in the next episode next week.